Mill, the Irish word for honey. Honey is celebrated in almost every culture in the world. In Irish folklore and mythology, honey was revered and often associated with divine gifts, with wisdom, and the Gaelic otherworld. The bees themselves were considered sacred and blessed, and they had the ability to move between this world and the other world, bringing magical nectar with them. Mead is an alcoholic beverage derived from fermented honey, water, and sometimes other ingredients. Mead features often in Irish myth. Queen Maeve of Connacht, her name means she who intoxicates, or Mead woman, or the intoxicated one. Honey was often used in healing and rituals, and Saint Gubnut, who was Ireland's patron saint of bees, protected her people with the bees, using them to stop cattle thieves, and she used honey as a healing aid against the plague. Saint Gubnut is said to have added beekeeping to her life's work, developing a lifelong affinity with them. Bees and honey have influenced us and our ways of life for centuries.